Do you believe me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Take time, lost that shit. So hard when you hit that shit. Hit that spin, you want that kick. You bring things back, cause you don't wanna hit it. Don't worry about this. Don't die the things you wish when you in that place. You want that kiss and want that kiss. Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Do you believe me that I'm a lonely soul? Would you love me? I've been searching, always wanted more. Can you hear me? Taking a hold of me. Love was still meant to be. Love was
Hello guys, welcome back to the Fadhili family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and turning on your post notification bell to be notified whenever we post any new video. For our returning subscribers, thank you so much for always watching our content. We really appreciate it. And for the premier gang, you know yourselves, more grace over your lives. And on today's video, I will be showing you how I store my cereals that I got from the market. So join me guys. I'll start by packing my lentils, or better known as amande. So those are our amande or lentils. Guys, you may let me know on the comment section where you buy your lentils. For us, we find them cheaper at the market. So next, I will be packing my pigeon peas. These are dry pigeon peas, locally known as Mbaazi. Next, I will be packing my beans. And these are, we locally call them yellow beans here in Kenya. And these are our favorites in our household. And we have them with our githeri or nyoyo. We can have them as stew for rice, chapati. And next, guys, I will be packaging our green grams, or locally known as dengue. Next guys, I will be packing the black eye bean. This is what it looks like. Next, I also have another variety of beans. These are locally called zinjahe. And they're very common in the Kikuyu community. And next guys, I have some raw peanuts, and we shall be roasting this and having them as snacks here at home. And lastly guys, I have some green beans. This is the first time that I will be trying them out. We'll be making us some pigeon peas, locally known as Mbaazi, and I will be using a coastal recipe, locally known as Mbaazi Zanazi. So let's go coastal on this recipe guys. We have the main ingredients, which are the Mbaazi. These have been pre-boiled. We have 2 bulbs of onion, pounded garlic, 2 packets of kara or coconut cream. You could also use fresh coconuts. And then for seasoning, we have curry powder. I have it in the Zanzibar spices, as well as our local brand, which is Mbaazi. And of course, we shall require some salt and water. So join me as I walk you through the process of making the Mbaazi. On to our cooking pots. I have the Mbaazi that has already been pre-boiled. I will light up the stove. putting in your kara, please do not stir. Allow this to simmer for about a minute or half a minute, then it will be ready to serve. Our mbaazi is now ready, and before I serve, I'm going to be topping it up with some coconut milk. Sprinkling some coriander for garnish. Like that. So guys, you can enjoy your mbaazi with mahamri. We have a very straightforward mahamri recipe on our channel. Be sure to look it up on the description box. You can also enjoy your mbaazi with chapati. So guys, I hope you will try this recipe at home and let us know on the comment section how it turned out. Remember, this is the Coastarian Swahili way of making mbaazi. And until our next one, may the Lord bless you. Goodbye.
Though it makes me sick, I can't seem to quit the adrenaline. Wasting my youth in pressing the snooze when the sun's still of youth in. Why do I do this? I'm being stupid.